Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube, man? Today we're gonna be doing a full review and on feed over the Foamposite metallic reds that's just dropped. You guys know it's been a lot, happening, shop drops, restocks and stuff like that. But I've been, shying away from the reviewing on feeds. But today I got you guys. And there's gonna be a lot of people that's interested in watching this, probably long term. Wonder if they should pay the penny to add these back in the collection, no pun intended. But these joints right here is super clean. I was super happy to add them back to the collection. So let's go ahead and jump into this full breakdown and on feed over the metallic red Foamposites right here. And you guys already know what to do, man. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please leave a huge like on today's content. If you like individuals, please don't mind the mess behind me. I'm still currently painting the entire sneaker room, man cave. It's gonna be definitely a totally different room. You guys see the full breakdown of it, so stay tuned for that, like I said, by hitting the notification bell right now. So for the Foamposite metallic reds, you got a regular all black box right here with Nike up top. It's going to read the fish colorway Air Foamposite 1 varsity red, white and black. And I always go up a half a size in my Foamposites. I did mess up recently for a pair of foams that I did buy, but I want to let you guys know, always go a half a size, if not a whole size, up on your Foamposites. They fit really snug. It's a very narrow sneaker, so go up half a size, you'll be good to go. And bam, man, here we have them, bro. Like, these right here made me start loving foams so much more again. Like I said, we really wasn't getting a lot of Foamposites to release, but we finally got these joints back. I think these did release a long time ago. If it wasn't the a Foamposite 1, it was a Foamposite Pro. I know for sure they had the metallic red joints. And if you did not know, we got the red October Foamposites, I think back in 2016 or 2017, if I'm not mistaken. One of my favorite foams. I always got to keep these in the collection, and then hopefully one day soon they restock these metallic red or red October Foamposite Pros right here. Like I mentioned in the unboxing, the early look at these joints, I really like the the premium look leather that we did get with these right here. Of course, it's not real leather. It's that synthetic leather that Nike always uses on all their Jordan models, and predominantly all of Nike, man. They don't really put real leather on there, but it does get a nice look at that leather right here, going all around the trimming of the lacing system, and then even leading to the heel of the sneaker. We see the penny sign right here. You got a nice little touch of that premium looking leather on the back as well. You got two pull tabs with these Foamposite ones right here. You got one on the heel, and of course you got one on the front of the tongue right here. I think that's just to help you put the sneaker on. I'm telling y'all, it's a very narrow sneaker, and that's like I told you guys in one of the videos. I don't know how people hoop in these. They're just so uncomfortable in my opinion, but just so stylish off court. You guys know, of course, you get the ballistic mesh on the tongue right here, so you guys can see. Hit you guys some B-roll, and on the heel padding on the back of the sneaker, kind of giving it a little bit more breathability, making it a little bit more comfortable. I think that's what Nike's goal and objective was with the ballistic mesh on the tongue and the inner of the sneaker. And that's pretty much how all your Foamposite Pros and ones come, unless it is like a premium Foamposite collab like they did the Vachetta 10 Foamposites back during All-Star Weekend a couple years back. Got another Penny Hardaway sign on the tongue with the piping going all the way down to the toe box, and then you guys can see it right here. You got another clean all white Nike swoosh on a sneaker. I know a lot of people like the Foamposite Pros a little bit more because they have the big Nike swoosh on the outside of the Foamposite material, but for me, it really doesn't matter. Foamposite 1s, Foamposite Pros, if it's a dope colorway, you guys can see, I'm definitely gonna grab them, man. I know some people were commenting on the unboxing I did with these. They said they did not like the icy blue outsoles with the red. I love it. Like, for me, I was sold when I seen the icy blue bottoms they did with these. Usually it's like, a translucent, clear translucent outsole, but for this one, do baby blue translucent outsole, and I said, you know what, that's a no-brainer for me. Made me even more, want to cop these right here. Got some red on the outsole right here, and you have another Penny logo on the heel of these joints right here. Carbon fiber plates on both sides of the sneakers, as you guys can see, and of course, the whole carbon fiber plate for the outsole of these Foamposite ones. If you guys don't know, earlier this year, they did drop PE, Orlando Magic Penny Foamposite 1 right here. Like I said, these joints right here was a no-brainer for me to cop. I messed up and got a size 9. That's how long it's been since I bought a pair of foams. So like I said, don't be like me. If you want to start, collecting foams, start rocking foams, go up half a size, man. And something we did not touch upon yet for this video is the entire Foamposite material going around the sneaker, and that nice vibrant metallic red. Super beautiful. I love how Nike executed these right here. It's definitely gonna be a keeper in the collection for your boy, the Vintage. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll, the on feet, all the visuals in today's video. And if you did, man, please sub up if you're new and hit the notification bell so you're missing on any content that we drop like this, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get them likes rolling. Let's get this in the algorithm. Not a lot of people have been searching for these joints. Like I said, hit that like button, drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about, Foamposite and what Nike has been doing for the Foamposite model within the last couple of years, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all that's being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.